Why is accountability important for human rights? Imagine living in a world where no one is responsible when rights are ignored or broken. It would be a place where injustice could happen without consequences. That's why accountability is so important for human rights. It makes sure that those who are supposed to protect and respect human rights actually do their job. Governments and public officials have a duty to uphold these rights, and accountability means they are answerable for their actions. When rights are violated, victims need a way to seek justice, get remedies, or receive compensation. Without accountability, violations can happen again and again because no one is held responsible. This can lead to ongoing abuse, corruption, and unfair treatment. Accountability helps keep institutions and people honest. It means they must follow high standards and be transparent about what they do. If someone's rights are violated, people should be able to access fair processes like courts or human rights organizations. These systems help people claim their rights and get justice. For example, courts can order governments to stop unfair practices or pay damages to victims. Independent organizations and the media also play roles in checking if laws are followed and if officials are acting properly. When accountability is in place, it supports the rule of law. This means laws apply equally to everyone, no matter who they are. It also prevents abuse of power because leaders and officials know they can be held responsible for their actions. In the context of human rights, accountability involves three key rights for victims. The first is the right to know the truth about what happened. The second is the right to justice, which can be through courts or other means. The third is the right to effective remedies, like compensation or rehabilitation. These rights help victims regain their dignity and rebuild trust in their communities after injustices happen. For students learning about global citizenship and culture, understanding accountability can be made fun and meaningful. You might act out a courtroom scene or create a mock investigation to see how holding violators responsible helps protect human rights. These activities show how everyone has a part to play in making sure justice is served. When people understand how accountability works, they see that it's not just about laws, but about fairness and caring for each other. In the end, accountability is vital because it makes sure those responsible for human rights protect and respect them. It allows victims to seek justice and remedies. It keeps governments and leaders honest and prevents abuse of power. It helps rebuild trust and dignity in societies affected by unfair treatment. And it involves many players, from governments to everyday citizens, working together to build a fairer world. Teaching these ideas through interactive activities helps students see why accountability is a key part of creating a just and peaceful society.